Want to brighten your smile naturally? You're in the right place. Welcome to the world of natural teeth whitening, where smiles are radiant and the methods are earth-friendly. These techniques are not just safe and effective, but also remarkably easy to implement within the comfort of your own home. They offer a delightful alternative to commercial products, allowing you to achieve that stunning smile without any harsh chemicals. So, are you ready to shine brighter? Stay with us as we reveal the 7 natural teeth whitening techniques you can try today. Ready to unveil the secrets to a brighter smile? Here we go. Let's dive into the first 3 natural teeth whitening techniques. First up, we have oil pulling with coconut oil. Originating from ancient Ayurvedic medicine, oil pulling is the process of swishing a tablespoon of oil, in this case, coconut oil, around in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. The oil pulls out toxins from your gums and teeth, leading to a brighter smile. But remember, oil pulling doesn't replace your regular toothbrushing. It's just a healthy addition to your routine. Next, let's explore brushing with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, and it's a common ingredient in many commercial toothpastes. Simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. The baking soda gently scrubs away surface stains, revealing cleaner and whiter teeth. Our third technique involves using apple cider vinegar. Known for its disinfectant and natural cleaning abilities, apple cider vinegar can be an effective mouthwash when diluted with water. Swish it around in your mouth for a minute, then rinse with water. Be cautious though, as apple cider vinegar is acidic and can soften tooth enamel if used too often. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. Continuing our journey towards a dazzling smile, let's uncover the rest of our natural teeth whitening techniques. Our fourth technique is using hydrogen peroxide, a common household item with powerful bleaching properties. To use it, simply mix 2 parts water with 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Swish this concoction in your mouth for about a minute, then rinse thoroughly. Remember, while hydrogen peroxide is safe in small amounts, it can cause gum irritation if used excessively, so moderation is key. Next, we have a delicious method, eating fruits and vegetables that naturally whiten teeth. Crunchy foods like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away surface stains. Strawberries and pineapples, on the other hand, contain enzymes that can help whiten your teeth. But remember, while these foods help in whitening, they're not a substitute for brushing and flossing. Moving on to our 6th technique, maintaining good oral hygiene. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups play a crucial role in keeping your teeth bright. Avoiding tobacco and limiting intake of staining beverages like coffee and red wine can also help maintain that pearly white shine. Our final technique is avoiding foods that stain teeth. These include coffee, red wine, soda, and dark berries. Try to brush or rinse your mouth after consuming these to limit their staining effect. And there you have it, 7 natural methods to help you achieve a brighter smile. A beautiful smile is just 7 steps away. We've explored the power of 7 natural teeth whitening techniques, each boasting unique benefits. These remedies, be it oil pulling, using fruits and baking soda, or indulging in dairy goodness, are safe and easy to execute right at your home. Consistency with these techniques can lead to significant results, gifting you a radiant smile that truly shines. So why wait? Start your journey towards a brighter smile today. Remember, your smile is your best accessory.